online and social media analysis report， 你 click 呢條 link， 我9月2號整嘅。Here the Google form, you just copy and paste. You should be able to log in, and you should confirm your case by week 4. And some students already sent me those 2 cases. I will read it after class. OK， 係啦，有啲同學已經禮拜尾 send 咗俾我，有啲同學我一講咗2日內 send 咗俾我，覆咗佢㗎啦。OK，if you have any difficulties to find those cases, just contact me. OK。And once you have confirmed your case, please fill in this Google form before the deadline. Is it okay about this? Is it okay about this piece of announcement? If you feel all right, please click yes through participation button. Okay. You need to fill in the Google form. Okay. And I will check it and I will support your learning. Very good. Okay. So given that, and sorry about that, about my wrong uploading. Now I uploaded 嚟又去翻呢個 DSS 22309嗱，記住 marketing 呢一科，跟住 like last semester, excuse me, you need to read your articles. In here I have the journal article guidelines for you. You click it. 唔好意思，點解唔見咗？喺 week 2嗰度，我呢個 delete 咗先，等等我 delete 咗呢個，唔好亂。等等我 delete 咗先啊。Yes。嗱，你要 click it， 等等我 download 緊。It's like last semester. You just read your articles and then you record it, okay? And then you need to summarize the key points within 15 slides. 15版紙啊，你將佢 summarize 好似上學期咁樣一樣嘅啫。咁都係嗰啲嘢啦 ，okay? And the parts that you need to read is here, okay? The other you can just skip it, okay?
咩事？
係乜嘢？
你好似未 share 個 screen 咯。
唔好意思啊，唔好意思係。你要提我係，有時我真係掛住講嘅時，唔好意思啊。嗱，再講翻一次。Moodle 嗰度 announcement， 我中文講啦，因為頭先講咗英文版。你填嗰個 Google Form， 你喺呢一個 announcement 9月2號 online and social media analysis 呢度 click 落去 ，OK？ 跟住咧，你呢度有條 link， 咁你 copy and paste 佢，咁你填清楚我要你填嘅 link， 跟住咧就 OK 噶啦，我會 check 噶啦 ，OK？ 係啦，咁如果你揾嗰2個個案，我今日講完之後你又唔明咧，麻煩晒係啦，唔好怕，唔好意思。如果我有時咧唔記得開啲咩掣，你要同我講，因為我掛住講，我就真係有時可能撳漏嗰啲掣，係啦。咁咧跳來跳去，咁咧呢個係第一個點，頭先大家答咗我明啦 ，OK？ 另外咧就係嗰個journal article sharing 嗰度，咁咧我 delete 咗嗰個唔啱嗰個 course 嗰個 guidelines 啦，因為咧有時佢 Moodle 咧我 upload 嗰啲嘢佢會 lock 咗喺某一個 course 啊，係啦，咁所以咧我而家 set 翻要去每次都係去翻嗰個 course 再揾過，就避免咗嗰個情況啦。咁而家咧你去 week 2呢度 ，OK？ 你 download 就係個 journal article sharing 嗰個 guideline， 咁一樣嘅啫，同你上學期一樣就係睇篇文嚇，唔使啪啪睇晒嘅。我最尾嗰版咧有嗰啲必睇嘅 section， 咁咧你睇完之後咧，你就將重點嚇 make notes 啦，好似上學期做一次噶啦，跟住咧就將重點當同學係你嘅學生係啦，你分享翻你呢篇文嘅重點。15張 slide 就最多，我唔想大家做太多 ，OK？ 15張 slide 錄埋音嚇，好似上學期咁 ，OK 噶啦。upload 喺 Google Drive，OK？ 另外問一次，大家因為我試過另外一科咧，有啲同學收唔到我嗰個 Google Drive 嗰個嘅 invitation 啊。Have you guys received the invitations from Google Slides? Yes or no? Please press yes if you have received my invitation. Because my other course, some students said that, oh, they haven't received the invitation. 有同學冇收到啊？應該喺你嗰個嗱，因為 because I add both of your email, your private and your UW email address, both your school email and your private email. So please check, okay, either one. 係啦 ，Hello, Casey Chan。係啦，麻煩你睇一睇你電郵嗰度啊嚇，你私人電郵同埋你嗰個嘅學校電郵，因為我兩邊我都有 share 俾大家，恐防 add 唔到，咁麻煩你接受咗 ，please accept my invitation so you can start working on those slides, okay? Given that now you guys are not that busy, please start early. Okay, so you can finish it within these 2 weeks, and then you can stay focused on the other course. Okay， 好，咁冇問題啦。我而家講assignment街啦。啱啱上市嘅同學 ，OK， 我再 send 多一次嗰個嘅街啦咧，我而家講。Please download this document. I will open it and then I will go through it with you. OK， 嗱，大家你開住個熒幕嚇，因為我會係咁啲 website 飛來飛去，因為我要話俾你聽嗰樣係咩嘢咩嘢咩嘢。OK， So now we start the introduction of this assignment. It's a report. OK， 呢度係 Moodle 啊，唔好意思 ，Moodle 我漏咗。OK， 等 Moodle 係而家 forget about Canvas. OK， no Canvas anymore since this semester. 我 save 多個 version 先。係啦，好。And the deadline is Saturday before 12 noon. You are more than welcome to upload it before that. But remember, the speed of Moodle uploading is far slower than Canvas. Make sure that you start uploading your work at least 2 hours in advance. I'm not kidding. 因為我試過真係上咗啲嘢喺 Moodle 咧，係慢過 Canvas 起碼2倍嘅，1倍幾啦起碼。咁咧，你唔好同我講話你嗰個文件，因為 I need you to stick many images. Don't tell me due to large file size. I can't upload it on time. I already tell you now. Please upload it at least 2 hours in advance. If you have any questions, at least I can still ask you to email me, or I can still ask you to tackle it. OK， 你唔好即係臨交之前一個鐘先 upload， 成日都係會出事嘅。2 hours in advance. OK，I put it upload it. I put it down in black and upload it at least 2 hours. At least 2 hours in advance. OK， 好。咁咧呢度咧，我哋落去咯喎。嗱 ，firstly, by week 4, the earlier you can settle your 2 cases, the quicker you can start your assignment. 你越早定咗你條題，我叫你填咗 Google Form 咧，咁你可以做噶啦。呢堂課之後嚇，咁咧所以今個禮拜你聽完我講之後，你就定條題先。Firstly, you need to get 2 events under the same categories. For example, 2 sports events. And those 2 sports events should be under same category. 如果你有興趣做運動相關嘅活動咧，記住最好做翻同類，因為唔同嘅活動咧係會個設計版面有唔同嘅。For example, you love a marathon, you just pick 2 marathons, OK? Apple to apple, rather than marathon and car racing， 即係唔係馬拉松同呢個嘅賽車，你係做同類運動。如果你講 sport event，if you are picking carnival 中文叫嘉年華，嘉年華對嘉年華 ，OK？I don't recommend you to pick exhibitions, OK? Because exhibition is for mice. 我唔建議大家揀展覽會，因為即係mice 個科你會再了解多啲。你最好揀係 festival 啦、carnival 啦、special event 呢幾類，or sports events, OK? Those are my recommendations. It's okay about this point about how to pick your case. If you feel okay, please give me a thumb up, OK? Or give me an OK. 有冇 OK 個公仔係啊？我冇 OK。如果揀 case 嗰度麻煩係啦，yes 我啦 ，OK 係啦。And my recommendation is that due to COVID-19, don't pick Hong Kong case because many Hong Kong events has been postponed or cancelled. Pick something overseas, for example, the event in the UK, US, Canada, Australia. I already list out these tips in Moodle. 我都有寫過，你再翻睇翻，或者睇翻我呢條片。咁先揀個 case 先。And then you need to go to the website, OK? I want to use a marathon 係啦，我用呢個馬拉松呢個網頁去講嗰啲元素先係啦。你等我開翻嗰條 link 先啊，等等我開條 link 嚇，因為好忙啊，真係老師都會失咗魂啊，跳來跳去，又要睇住大家嗰啲信息嚇，所以大家體諒嚇，多謝大家係啦。嗱，先嚟呢度先。嗱，麻煩揭開，你等我攞翻嗰份。Please turn to your assignment guide page 3. I will start to talk about each element one by one. Okay. Once you pick your 2 cases, right? Okay. 你揀咗你嗰2個你想做嘅活動啦，咁你去官網下， Don't go to wiki, don't go to the blog or the social media. I want you to go to the official website, okay? This is the official website of Standard Chartered Hong Kong Marathon, okay? You go there and then you pin screen, okay? How to pin screen, okay? I will tell you. 好簡單嘅啫，麻煩撳 pin screen 嗰粒掣，有 pin screen 嗰粒掣啊！你唔好同我講話唔識 pin screen 啊嚇。And then go to Paint 小畫家 ，P-A-I-N-T。OK， 等等我開緊小畫家。And then Control V， 唔好意思，我未 pin screen， 唔好意思 ，pin screen。等我打埋先 ，CTRL plus V 黐佢上去。B 係啦，黏貼咗啦。And then you can move around, okay? And then you can adjust the size, okay? View, and then zoom out, and then you can cut. 嗱，我要你剪呢啲 logo 啦，可能嚇你剪出嚟啦 ，cut 佢啦嚇，我示範下。我 maybe I need you to cut down the menu bar, you cut it, okay? 等我 cut， 等我 cut。And then you stick it in your assignment. Is it 係啦，就咁樣啦 ，pin screen. It's okay about pin screen. If it's okay about pin screen, please give me a yes. Okay, pin screen no problem. Good 好。嗱呢個點識咗先？跟住咧secondly, for your assignment here, when the first thing you pin screen the first page. 你入到第一版紙，你第一個做嘅嘢就係。等等我啊，唔好意思。呢一版你要貼喺第一個 page 度俾我知，你去咗官網先 ，OK？ 整版你 pin screen 出嚟啦吓 ，OK？And then you put down the URL. The first thing I want to talk about is URL. OK? You can make notes already. OK? I'm talking about items one. 我而家喺你 assignment 街嘅 items one， 或者你喺呢份紙你自己打低咩先 ？URL. I'm talking about this. You need to check the URL of those two websites. OK 嗱，首先你第一步就係咁樣黏貼咗你嗰個 website， 跟住話俾我聽條 link 啦，我知道你去啱咗個版面，跟住你就做呢個表咯。OK。When you work on this page, OK, please turn it into landscape. OK， 將佢轉做打橫啊！你見到我叫你做打橫 landscape， 點整咧 ？OK， 我教大家一次。Let's say I want to change this page into landscape. Firstly, you highlight this section 嗱，我想呢一版紙，等等我有 bug 㗎，唔緊要，你等等我啊。係啦，唔該有同學係啦，感激share 咗個 Google Form， 咁你可以方便填啦吓，係啦。嗱，你俾我 check 嗱，有同學提到啦。If you want me to check your website, you better share the PC version if you can. You share the PC version of your official website to me rather than the mobile version. Okay? Even when you work on this assignment, please use the PC version. 嗱，你做呢份功課，你記住你唔好用 mobile 版喎，你用翻係電腦開翻去嗰個網上。點解咧？因為電腦版咧係啲功能多啲㗎，你會分析豐富啲。咁所以咧，你記住係去 mobile version。If it is okay, please give me a like. Okay, you understand this point? Okay， 係啦。如果你聽得係啦，話 yes 你中意啦嚇，好。咁而家咧，我翻嚟呢度先。嗱，第二步就係轉去做打橫版面咧，點轉咧 ？highlight 咗佢先 ，go to layout， OK， 版面配置，跟住 here have a small arrow， 有個細細箭嘴 ，go to layout settings，click it，OK， 係啦，咁咧你去呢度邊界呢度 ，OK， 咁呢度咧你去校橫向，因為我呢度 I want to change it into landscape rather than portrait。And then 選取嘅地方橫向，咁咧我要係選取文字 ，OK，Enter。So as you can see, this page I turn it into landscape，OK， 呢一 part 我要將佢選取咗做橫向啊 ，OK。If you want to work in this sector, we always use this function, OK。The other pages is still portrait， 其他版仲係直嘅，你見到嚇，咁呢個係橫咗。咁我 undo 咗佢先，咁所以你記住你呢一 part，because you need to stick，OK，URL， You stick the URL here for me, and then you tell me how things go, okay? And then when you work on your case, you need to assume that you need to be a manager of one of the case. 你唔可以當你自己係兩個活動嘅經理，你當一個 ，for example 呢一度 I pick marathon and UNICEF charity run. I assume that I am the manager of Standard Charter. Okay, I'm the manager of Hong Kong Marathon. 我當我自己係馬拉松嘅經理。My competitor should be UNICEF. Okay, and I try to compare the things between the two. Okay, and then you tell me what can I do better. 我參考咗我競爭者啦。OK，咁我可以點樣樣我可以點樣樣去做得好啲咧？就係咁啦。等等我，就係呢個我想大家知嘅嘢。And then when you try to compare between the two, you can give marks. OK， 我哋有個 scale 嘅。OK。One mark is excellent. OK， 你抄低呢個，我特登冇打喺呢度，我想大家記一記低下。OK。One marks 等於 very good， 0.5 fair OK 啦 ，OK， 0分佢冇嘅 bad OK。你要睇嗰兩個網頁嗰個元素點樣情況 OK。例如 URL 實有㗎啦 OK。Both the marathon and charity also have the URL. That's the URL. OK. So in here you give 1 mark for each 一分。OK， because later you need to add them all up。你好多個元素你比較完咧，你要加總。And then you try to tell me which websites are having a higher mark. That means which website is doing better after doing a systematic search. So remember to give marks, okay, for each element. Is it okay about this point? Please give me a yes if you understand this point. You need to give marks for each elements. OK， 係 yes 喎，有同學 no 咗咪 miss 咗啊？得5個同學 yes 咗啫喎，有冇其他同學咧？有冇聽緊啊？我講功課好重要嘅資訊啊。OK， 好，冇問題。我開始講每一項嘢，你記低，我就講一次㗎咋。好 ，URL that means the website of that that means the link of that website. OK。Here is an URL, okay? A good URL should include the following elements, okay? 一個好 URL 應該有以下嘅元素，你等我打出嚟先 ，OK？ 可以抄低啊嚇，等我，等我打一打先。嗱，一個好嘅 link 咧，應該喺呢度你睇到幾樣嘢嘅。The names of the events, okay? The place of origin, or the language of this subpage. Because normally, nowadays, especially in Hong Kong, you should have at least like 3 languages: the simplified Chinese, the English version, and the traditional Chinese. 因為好多時個網頁咧，佢係網站咧，佢係會有唔同嘅版面嘅，繁體簡體。咁咧，通常條 link 如果整得好咧，係會有埋個你而家係邊個 language 嘅 page。OK， Let's check it out from this event. Okay, in here you can see the name. Okay, Hong Kong Marathon, and then you can see the place of origin because Hong Kong. Okay, tick tick. Okay, however, language. Okay, I don't know whether it's Chinese or English or simplified Chinese. Normally for English, at the end they will put down .en. Okay. For Chinese 要 .cn，OK， 中國大陸嘅網上都係 .cn， 有時咧佢會係 .tc 或者係 .sc，OK，TC 即係 traditional Chinese，SC 即係 simplified Chinese，OK。If they got all of them, you can give them 1 mark. Okay, for this one, I will just give them 0.5 because they haven't tell us the languages. Okay, so you put a 0.5 in that box, okay, and tell me, oh, because they missed out the language explanation, okay. And now we move on to 呢個嘅 UNICEF 呢個網先，你等我去一去先，等我下。 複製我要去一去個網站，等等我下 page。嗱呢一個咧係 more clear 嘅 ，as you can see，OK。The event name run UNICEF, the place Hong Kong, okay. However, they also haven't mentioned about the language, okay, of this page, okay. Although they can, you can change it, okay. So I also give them 0.5 marks, okay. So you can give suggestions in here, okay. 你去俾完分啦，嗱呢度我做一個俾大家睇啊。唔好意思，嗱呢度我呢度先俾0.5分啦嚇，0.5分，跟住。No language presentation。OK， 呢度我要黐啦喎，我要黐嗰條 link 我唔做啦嚇，呢個你大家明嘅頭先我開咗。嗱呢度又係咁樣樣啦喎，因為佢又係一樣情況，佢冇 language 嘛，咁我黐上嚟啦 ，OK。跟住 give suggestion 就叫佢 add OK language description 就係咁啦。你每一項就係咁樣俾分析，跟住點樣做好啲。Okay, you do it one by one. Okay, that is the practice of these piece of assignment. Okay, I clear. Okay， 好，咁我哋落去咯喎，係啦，嗱呢個點得唔得先？我想大家俾啲反應。呢個咁樣嘅 presentation 嘅做法，嗱貼圖啦，跟住你俾分啦，有啲咩做得唔好，跟住俾 suggestions。If you feel all right, please give me a yes. Okay, so I know that you are still with me. Okay。7位同學 yes 咗，其他嗰啲咧有冇喺電腦面前啊 ？OK，I can extract an attentions report，you know that？ 我可以咧知道邊個同學有冇望 screen 㗎 ，zoom 好鬼勁，係啦。To confirm your participations mark，OK？ 好，繼續落去咯喎，嗱我刪一刪嗰個 participation 先，因為我要逐個講呢度，唔好亂先。等等我下。嗱 URL 就係咁樣去俾啦，跟住我哋而家第二個點 menu or bar，OK？Menu is this thing，OK？Horizontal 打橫呢個叫 menu bar 就係打橫呢條 ，OK？This is the menu bar for UNICEF，OK？For Standard Chartered，this is the menu bar. If they have it, you pin screen and stick it，OK？What does it mean by catalog? Catalog is once you put your cursor, that is your cursor 中文唔知叫咩，唔好意思，即係個箭嘴啦嚇。咁你呢度貼上嚟咧，佢會有一個 list 㗎，OK？ That is catalog 一個目錄 ，OK？If they have it, you pin screen it and you tell me whether it's 我而家逐個講 landscape 頭先係你呢份功課。首先就係你要第一步就係貼咗你嘅第一版面同埋 link 啦，跟住你就直接做呢個表啦。你呢個表成個表係 landscape。The whole table that you use should be landscape because you need to put those images in here。OK， 係啦，呢個點得唔得先？係啦，得你就 yes 啦，等我知道你清晰呢一個點啦嚇。OK， 係啦，喺 participant 嗰度啦，係啦 ，thank you， 係啦。嗱，我哋繼續落去咯喎，嗱 menu 同 bar 就咁樣出去啦。Now we move on to RSS。RSS 咧 ，this function is getting less popular。OK，if you see something like this， 我要開一開 Google 啊，因為我要揾一嗰個嘢俾大家睇。等等我下，等等我圖片。嗱 ，OK。If you see something like this， 一個 logo 咁樣樣啦 ，they may not put it in 係啦 ，they may not put it in in orange。有時佢會即係整咗佢黑色嘅，因為可能太肉酸啦，橙色。If they have this function, that means once you sign up, they will send you the latest news automatically. Sometimes they will ask you to sign up with your mobile phone. Sometimes they will ask you to sign up with your email. You will receive the latest news, Receive the latest news. Receive latest 嗱，我用 checkbox 啦，咪費事開支筆好麻煩。Latest news automatically 嗱，你可以記低係啦。咁如果佢有呢個功能，你可以寫得冇就冇辦法啦。OK。仲有一個點我想提大家。OK。Let's say after checking，OK。Let's say as you check both the Hong Kong Marathon and the UNICEF Charity Run websites。OK， 呢個我講講。website 唔等於website 係成個網站。你而家揾呢啲每一個項目係 web。You need to search it page by page, okay? So website is different from web page, guys, okay? So for this, let's say both events didn't insert this RSS function, you can delete it. 如果兩個活動都冇呢一項嘅，你直接 delete 走呢個表啦 ，delete 走呢一行啦。So that's why I share the work document with you, so you can edit your work easily, okay? But however, for example, Marathon have it, okay, you give a mark. But UNICEF website doesn't have these elements. You can still do the comparison. 一個有，一個冇。咁即係一個做得好啲，一個做得差啲咯。OK。但如果兩者都冇咧，你可以 delete 呢一個 row 啦。OK。Is it clear about this editing? If it's clear, please give me a yes, so I know that you got this message. Thank you, thank you. 好，係啦。And now we move on to the fourth element, search engine and keyword search. 睇下佢有冇呢個功能，我哋點睇嘅咧？嗱，我去翻佢哋嘅網站先。等等我下，我刪我刪呢啲啊，因為太過嗱，有時佢呢個冇啦，我睇下佢UNICEF 有冇。嗱，呢個都冇。有時咧，佢會有個我用 Google 揀一個 icon 俾大家睇。嗱，呢個就 search function 啦。OK， for some of the website they will have something like this。OK， with a telescope， 會有個放大鏡咁嘅嘢，跟住有條巴俾你打字啦。If you see something like that，OK，that is a search engine and keyword search。咁你可以黏貼啦。OK，if they don't have it，you can ask them to add back。OK。FAQ，OK， 常問問題 ，OK， 常問問題，你等我睇睇先，因為佢今年咧，佢剷走咗好多嘢，所以我比較難去。我一係開奧運會大家睇，但係如果我開奧運會嗰個咧，變咗同學就唔做得奧運會啦，所以我特登唔開 Olympic 嗰個。唉，嗱，你等我開另外啲網站一樣嘅啫。呢度有啦。嗱 ，when you work on this website, okay, don't do like me, okay, don't do something like me. I just go to Google and search for the element, because if I do something like that, you can't evaluate the online searching experience, okay? Because I need to save your class time, so I do this. 如果你真係做功課，你揾常見問題，你要當你喺呢個網度瀏覽緊，你去揾，你唔好好似我咁偷雞咧喺 Google 度 search， 因為我而家慳課堂嘅時間。因為咧，你容唔容易揾到呢個功能咧，都會影響到你嘅評估嘅。Whether this website is user friendly or not, whether you can find those functions by a simple click can affect the effectiveness of that website. So in here, as you can see, they have the FAQ 常見問題 ，OK? The reasons why they have this function because they want to save time and money, and they want to provide 24/7 customer service towards their customers. 你一擺一啲常問問題，來自五湖四海嘅參與者或者相關嘅人士咧，都可以隨時睇翻，唔需要打電話啊，又唔需要請客戶服務員啦。咁所以咧，好多好多大型嘅活動咧，都會有 FAQ 呢個 function 嘅 ，OK？And now we move on to item 6, language selection. So something like this, you can select your language. In here, the Hong Kong Marathon website have the traditional Chinese and English. You just pin screen these elements for me, okay? For some of the international events, they may have French, they may have Spanish, they may have other kinds of languages, okay? A list for you to pick. You just pin screen the language section, okay? And now we move on to item 7. Item 7 is sitemap, okay? Sitemap in Chinese means 網站指南, okay? Actually, normally, for example, I go to the home page. 我出翻去先啊，等等我去翻呢個網站個 home page 先，我去翻 Marathon 呢個網站。 嗱，你唔可以做我呢兩個 case 㗎，因為我講晒分析，你唔可以做我而家講呢兩個 case。嗱，呢個冇 site map 啦，我睇下呢個有冇 site map 先。嗱，有啦 here。網絡地圖或者好似叫網站指南一樣嘅啫，或者叫係啦，網站大綱同一樣嘢嘅啫。唔好意思啊，因為 Zoom 錄咗我上一堂，佢通知我。咁咧你有呢個你 pin screen 佢 ，OK， 你 click it。This is a quick search of your website, okay? They will tell you what have you included within the website. Very useful button for your assignment or when you start working. 老闆叫你揾下網站有啲咩資料，我唔想逐頁 click 啊 click 到頭都暈啊！我去網站導引、導落指南或者係地圖啦，佢有幾個名，一個叫地圖，一個叫指南，一個叫導航 ，OK， 都係呢幾個名噶啦 ，OK。And one reminder, when you work on your assignment, the elements that you pin screen should be in English。你個功課你啲貼圖麻煩係英文㗎嚇，你唔好貼圖中文俾我嚇 ，English，OK。Assume that you are an outsider. Okay, English elements 啊 ，OK, English version。呢個提提大家。好，跟住我去翻呢度先，去翻網站先，唔好意思。就係呢度啦。咁有你 pin screen 啦，咁我知道你有啦。好，跟住 selected colour 第8點。Now we are in items 8. Selected colour and background. OK， 嗱，我去一去揸馬嗰個 OK。As you can see, for this one, you need to check the logo because the logos tell you the theme color. Okay. As you can see for Standard Chartered Hong Kong Marathon, given that it's entitled by Standard Chartered Bank， 因為係渣打銀行冠名啦，而渣打銀行嘅商務顏色咧，企業顏色咧就係藍綠色啦。So as you can see, the website design should be in blue and green. Okay, okay. As you can see, they're using blue and green. Okay, and then you pin screen 唔好意思 ，and then you pin screen the evidence 藍色嘅 bar，OK， 綠色嘅 bar，OK， 咁because it's Hong Kong 你見到個 background 嚇 ，because it's Hong Kong Marathon，OK，so they use the Hong Kong skylines as a graphic， 咁你就分析翻話俾我聽啦 ，OK， 佢嘅構圖。究竟係符唔符合佢嘅主題 ？OK， 佢呢個好好啊，香港嘅一個背景啦，用翻佢嘅企業全部嘅顏色咧，藍綠色，咁你分析翻埋俾我聽啦 ，OK？And you do the same for your competitors。好，第9個點係 white space，OK？White space that means something like this，OK？The reasons why we need to leave some white space， 點解有啲白色嘅空間咧 ？Because we want the visitors to stay focused on the key message。如果我貼到密質質咧，我都唔知我嘅 focus 喺邊啊。咁咧，所以你見到佢有好多我哋叫留白 ，OK？如果喺行裡面叫留白。咁咧，你留白咗咧，就變咗咧，你望落去隻眼就冇咁暈啦，同埋會集中到一啲重要嘅信息。咁揸馬都做得唔錯嘅，咁你就話俾我聽佢有 white space 啦 ，OK？ 係啦。跟住第10點咯，我哋去到第10點。第10點咧就係嗰個 photos 啦 ，OK？Sometimes 咧they will have the photos and videos，OK？Or sometimes they will call it as gallery。gallery 一個叫做美術館咁樣。咁裏面佢就將晒 they will put all the promotions videos or the album or the snapshots 一啲活動嘅花絮啊，一啲嘅片啊、相啊，咁佢擺晒落去。有呢個你可以話俾我聽。And you try to open the photos and video. You try to play it, okay, and see whether it's clear or not. Clear means no Greek。你放大佢嚟睇，你唔好就咁細格睇唔到㗎嚇。你開大佢，睇下佢有冇起格。Because once you see that those Greek, that means they have bad resolutions, low resolution， 即係佢嗰個解像度唔夠啦。咁咧解像度咧個英文咧，我打出嚟俾大家。我要叫做 IDP，OK，low resolutions we call it。咁如果佢啲相啊、圖啊、蒙啊、起格啊，咁你又可以鬧佢啦。OK， 係啦。到第10點得唔得先？我哋講10點啦喎。Any questions for the first 10 items? If it's okay, please give me a like or a thumb up so I know that you are still with me. OK， 好。 咁我哋去到第11點啦。Now we are in items 11，OK，有9個同學嚇，係啦。I don't know about the others。好 ，those students are top students。And now we move on to items 11. Games or quizzes. Games or quizzes means sometimes they will have a game section. 佢可能啲網上互動遊戲嘅，俾啲參與者玩下嘅。If they have it, you can pin screen it for me. Or they will ask you some questions like what I did for polling. 好似我咁有時會有啲選擇題俾大家去答下嘢咁啦。咁有呢啲嘅項目你可以去 pin screen 佢。Award winning or competition winning results table. For example， 佢可能會有因為佢今年冇比賽啊。Normally they will list out the winners，a list，you can pin screen it。嗱一個嘅勝利者嘅 list 咧，我哋叫 competitions result， 即係嗰啲參與者嗰個嘅優勝名單。咁你呢個可以係貼圖落去嘅，OK。另外一隻咧叫做 award winning status，That means maybe this is a world-class marathon event。呢一個係一個世界級嘅跑步比賽。And then they get a credit，For example， 佢 About Us 佢講話呢個係世界級嘅跑步比賽啦。等我睇 event history， 佢應該有講嘅，係啦。等我，係啦。咁佢呢度有講到啦，即係佢係有一個 brand， 又係一個 brand Hong Kong 嘅 event 啦，又係 M-Mark event 啦，Those items you can put as award-winning status。個活動自己本身係有啲咩級別嘅，你可以擺，或者個活動本身啲參與者嘅優勝排行榜你可以擺。It should be grouped under items 13。Items 14 咧，and 15 actually is quite similar。Whether you can buy any tickets online or whether you can sign up for this event。如果有啲活動要買飛嘅，你睇下佢有冇買飛嘅 button， 因為渣馬冇，佢今年取消，本身佢有個叫做 registration 㗎，登記就係我 item 15嗰一項，登記你可以填表，咁如果佢有嗰一個項目咧，你可以去寫，或者有啲活動例如 carnival，they need you to buy the admission ticket， 可能嘉年華會佢要你買入場券嘅。They have a button called normally， 通常佢出現係有呢幾粒字嘅 ，book now，sign up，ticketing， 我喺 chat box 度啊 ，booking，registration， 都係呢啲字嘅啫你登記啦，你參與啦 ，join now， 嗰度揾係啦。冇問題，我哋而家去到第16點啦嚇 ，item 16，item 16，this one have it。Let me go back to the official home page，the first page。As you can see in here，they have advertising，呢啲俾錢㗎嚇，係啦。Maybe some of them are the sponsor， 有啲可能佢係去賺，但 some of them 頭先有個 hotel 嗰個咧係好明顯係賣廣告。頭先我見到有個係頭先有一個係酒店嚇，呢個啦係啦，嗱呢個都唔係賣廣告，佢話呢個都係佢嘅 sponsor 嚟㗎 ，Regal Hotel 富豪酒店，雖然差到嘔啊，係啦，薩林巴斯呢啲嚇 ，those are the sponsor。This cannot be counted as advertising area, but sometimes some of the 例如呢度呢啲去呢度就擺晒全部係佢贊助商啦。But for some of the event, they may have something like this, but those companies are not the sponsor。有時佢呢啲係嗰啲人落嗰個，咁你可以 pin screen 啦。第16點第17點第17點 contact details。If you have any questions，whether you can contact them or not，有時會有嘅，通常係聯絡我們呢度通常佢會有一個叫做等我打一打先啊，我喺嗰個 chat box 嗰度，咁大家揾嘅時候你 mark 低佢啦嚇，你等我去翻 chat box 先。通常有一個叫做 contact us 嘅咁所以咧你去嗰度你揾到啦，咁你 pin screen 呢個圖。For example, normally they should have the names, the telephone numbers, the email or the contact person。有時佢會寫埋你應該聯絡邊個部門咩人啦，你睇下佢有冇呢啲方面嘅資訊，就係 contact details 呢度啦冇問題，我哋繼續落去item 18我哋過一半啦。 whether they invite you to leave some comments. OK， for example， 你等我揾啦，呢兩個暫時冇啊嚇。有啲活動啊係等等我 set 下揾有冇。嗱，佢呢個有嘅，有啲活動嚟呢個啦，佢有 runners comments and feedback。They may do it in the official website, or they may do it in the Facebook。嗱，例如呢個叫做 Blue Sky Marathon 咁啦嚇。咁佢呢度咧，佢可以俾你 post comment， 你喺度打字，有啲人喺度講嘢，咁你可以 print screen 俾我咯。OK， 係啦。It should be in their website 嗱，因為呢一 part 咧 ，for this table 咧 is only focusing on their websites, not their social media。For the other part is in their social media. Don't mix up。OK， 呢一 part 全部都係佢嘅官網啊，你唔好去搞其他社交媒體住先。好，繼續落去。嗱，唔好意思，我會少少 overrun 啊，因為我想講晒呢度書先，點你可以做功課。頭先技術上有啲失誤，等等我啊。我翻去係啦，揸埋個網。好。而家they may ask you to fill in some survey, so you can put it in 18, okay? 19 就係 stakeholders information 啦 ，organizers, partners, sponsor. For example, for Standard Chartered, the organizers should be okay co-organizer， 即係協辦商啊，佢唔係一個人去搞嘅 co-organizer， we call it as okay， 就係 Hong Kong Momentum Athletic Associations 香港業餘田徑總會係同佢一齊協辦嘅。咁你要話俾我聽，哦，佢有協辦商啦 ，OK？Sponsor 呢度你見到佢啦 ，sponsor by 你貼圖 ，OK？Supported by 有一紮嘅機構就係呢啲啦 ，OK？Stakeholders information。And now we move on to 20 destination informations for Hong Kong Marathon, okay?Definitely is in Hong Kong, right? Okay. And actually, this is an international event. So you need to provide the information about Hong Kong to the others. 你當嗰啲人海外參與者嚟香港，咁咧佢會有一個你等等先。佢之前有個版面係 destination 㗎 ，about 佢而家剷走咗。嗱，佢會有個地方有時叫做 destination info 嘅，有時咧會叫做 place info， 即係嗰個地方係啦。直情有時可能嚟喺香港搞，佢有個 section 叫 Hong Kong 嘅，會用嗰個搞嗰個地方個名。They will pick the names of that place, okay, and tailor a subpage. And normally in this page, they will give you the basic facts about that destination. For example, the currency exchange rate, the weather, whether you need a visa or not, okay, the dress code, okay, there's some of the customs that you need to pay attention to. 通常嗰個版面會話俾你聽嗰個地方嘅嗰個嘅匯率啦，嗰個天氣啦，你應該着咩衫啦，一啲文化上面要注意嘅地方啦，咁就係呢個 page 啦 ，OK。And number 21, social media, okay? In here, as you can see the logo, okay? They have the Facebook. Normally, they will show it as an icon, for example, like IG, Snapchat, okay, Twitter, okay? You just pin this icon for me is good enough, okay? Or YouTube, okay? Newsroom, okay? In here, as you can see, press release, okay? Normally, they will call it as news or normally you can find this in the press release or new release or media section. 有時會有一個媒體嘅有個 button 俾你撳㗎，或者佢直情有講 news 嘅，直情有啲直情寫係 news， 或者有時係叫做係啦 newsroom 嗰啲，咁你 e-scene 或者 press release， 咁有呢啲你都可以寫啦。And items 22 now 22。And items 23 is downloadable informations. Sometimes they will have a download sections. 你見到佢會有得可以下載區啊 ，download，OK， 或者係啦，通常叫 download sections 或者下載區，咁樣有你可以 click 佢 ，OK。Normally it's about the applications form or the poster， 可能係俾你 download 一啲嘅參與表格啦，一啲嘅the regulations of the events or maybe the fact sheet。 可能係嗰個活動嘅一啲重要嘅資訊，佢會有得俾你去下載去分享翻嘅。咁有咧，你又可以喺呢個 items 度寫啦。OK。Number 23。Number 24 is event merchandising. OK。Event merchandising. Think about Hong Kong Sevens. You can buy the rugby T-shirt online. OK。Or you can buy a rugby ball online, and then normally they have got an online store. OK。我睇 Hong Kong Seven 有冇先？等等啊 ，Hong Kong Sevens 係等等我，因為今年都冇搞，所以就比較煩氣啲。OK， 等等我啊，要啲時間啊。嗱，俾多10分鐘唔使我講完㗎，已經去到差唔多尾聲啦嚇，忍耐一下，唔好意思，各位同學。嗱，你見到佢有 merchandise 呢個 button 嘅啦，佢而家暫定你見佢 postpone to next year April。OK。So merchandise, let's click it and see how things go。等等我。嗱，你可以做 rugby 㗎，我俾你，但係你唔可以做係同一個 organizer。You can't pick 2 events under the same organizers because it's nothing special。OK， 係啦。咁呢度咧就係你見到佢有嘢賣啦。You can buy the rugby shirt in here and click it and buy 啦。They have the newsletter etc。OK， 我唔講太多啦，我驚有同學可能揀呢個 case 啊，係啦。咁所以就即係有啲活動係會有呢個 merchandise 嘅呢個嘅 button 嘅。OK，I'm in here。OK，items 24 24啦，而家去到呢個merchandise。好 ，event calendar or competition schedules。OK，let's say for example Olympic。OK，they will have a calendar， 佢會有一個日曆嘅掣撳嘅。Once you click it, you can see, oh, okay, Monday, we have a list of competition, blah, 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 the competition schedule, okay? If you find something like this, you can put it down for me, okay? And this one links to other sites, okay? For example, let's say I pick a marathon. I go back to the official website first. 嗱，你要試下佢嘅呢個 link to the official website means, for example, let's say Nike is my sponsor. If I put my cursor next to this Nike logo, as I click it, it will divert me to the official website. 你要咁樣試 click 啊，係咪真係去翻嗰個贊助商嘅官網 ？Because some of the lazy marketers, they will just post the logo, but when you click it, nothing's there. That is not up to standard. 佢齋黐個 logo，你冇 link 咧，廢物嚟嘅，簡直係。咁咧，你呢個你一定要睇下佢可唔可以 click 到佢一啲相關機構嘅，呢個叫做 links to other sites，other sites。OK， 所以你要試 click 下佢。OK， 咁如果 click 到落去嗱，你咁樣貼圖咧就咁樣樣嚇，編圖咁我知道你有試到啦。OK， 係啦。When you pin screen, you show me the cursor and the link, so I know that you did it. 好。Pop-up message, what does it mean? OK。As I share the screen with you, when you open, let's say, when I open this website, something stuck in here. This is a pop-up message, not moving. 彈出呢個 check 嘅視窗，你當係佢 pop-up message 啦。咁有你可以講。Another one is pop over. Okay, once I open this website, okay, the message keep on moving like this. Okay, as I'm sharing the screen with you. Okay, that is pop over. Okay. Especially during COVID-19。嗱，等我去一去旅發局個網俾大家睇，睇咩旅發局有 pop-up message， 等我去一去，我諗大家明呢個嚇。等等我 click 嚇，等等我要啲時間。嗱 ，this is a pop-up message。OK， they will tell you need to play safe. If you need more information during this critical time, you just click here. That's pop-up message. If they have it, you tell me. OK， 係啦。And in here, items 28, community or CSR elements of volunteers recruitment. OK， if they are recruiting volunteers, for example, sometimes normally the word is that join us. 佢會叫你 join us 啦，佢會叫你be one of us 啦。OK，take part in 叫你參與啦。咁佢未必寫 volunteer sections 嘅，有時佢會係用呢啲字去邀請你去做志願工作者㗎。咁所以咧你就揾一下，有時有咁你可以寫啦。OK， take part in 係啦，好。Event countdown 係咩嘢咧 ？OK， 我呢個要開 Olympic 㗎，望下，唔好意思啊。嗱，去官網啊，唔好去 Wiki 啊。我唔知係今年有冇整，因為 postpone 咗。你等我睇睇啊。佢冇 countdown 添啊，陰公，而家都唔知搞唔搞得成。嗱，normally countdown 咧 is like a clock，OK？你等我去 Google 度揾一揾啊。係啦 ，let's say this is an event website，OK？係啊，啲網站會咁嘅。They will have a countdown things like this， 整翻幾多日幾多點有個 software 可以做嘅 ，OK？ 即係你咁樣有個咁嘅嘢咧，就叫 event countdown 啊。I'm in items 29，OK？And other things that you have observed，OK？If you are not so sure， 你嘅網站有啲 button， 你想問我可唔可以 include 落去喎？你可以話俾我聽 ，OK？For example，your selected events have a celebrities 有一個嘅代言人嘅，咁你呢個都可以當係你嘅分析嘅元素嚟㗎 ，OK？So I will stop here，OK？And next tutorial I will go through page 5 to page till the end, OK？So you can start your assignment now actually, OK？If both events done well in the same